So you're already making money on Instagram, but now you're ready to take it further. You've tested what works, you've earned your first few hundred, or even a few $1,000s. Maybe you've done brand deals, sold your own product, or made affiliate commissions. But now the question is, how do you scale? How do you grow from a part-time side hustle to a full-time business? From inconsistent income to a predictable 5- or 6-figure Instagram revenue stream? In this video, I'm walking you through advanced strategies that help you scale your Instagram income to 6 figures and beyond. Let's dive in. Section 1. Shifting your mindset to scale. Scaling doesn't start with tactics, it starts with mindset. Most creators stay stuck because they keep doing the same things that got them to $1,000, hoping they'll somehow make $10,000. But scaling requires a fundamental shift in how you think about time, money, and systems. Here are 3 mindset shifts you need to make right now. Stop trading time for money. If every dollar you make depends on you being present, creating content, responding to DMs, negotiating deals, you'll hit a ceiling. Your income must eventually detach from your time to grow. See yourself as a business owner, not just a content creator. When you shift from creator to CEO, you begin thinking in terms of systems, teams, delegation, and scaling. Not just likes and comments. Embrace risk and reinvest. Want to grow? You'll need to invest in ads, tools, people, and education. Scaling means spending money strategically to make more money. Section 2. Diversifying your income streams. If you only have one source of income, you're vulnerable. So the first major strategy to scale your earnings is income diversification, adding new revenue streams that align with your brand. Here are 6 proven Instagram income streams that top creators stack. 1. Digital products. Create an ebook, course, workshop, or template based on your expertise. Once made, it can sell 24/7. 2. Affiliate marketing. Promote products you love and earn a commission. Use tools like Linktree or Stan Store to bundle your offers and track clicks. 3. Brand partnerships. Upgrade from one-time sponsored posts to ongoing brand relationships or ambassador deals that pay monthly. 4. Physical products or merch. Sell your own merch or white-label products under your brand. Tools like Printful make it easy with no upfront inventory. 5. Subscription models. Offer exclusive content through Patreon, close friends access, or Instagram subscriptions. 6. Coaching or consulting. Turn your expertise into high-ticket services like one-on-one coaching or audits. Pro tip: start with 1-2 streams, then add more once the first is generating consistent revenue. Section 3. Systemize your business. To scale, you must build systems, repeatable processes that save you time and boost efficiency. Here's how to systemize the major parts of your Instagram business. 1. Content creation system. Batch content weekly or monthly. Use content calendars, templates, and scheduling tools like Later or Metricool to automate your posting. Create content pillars to keep everything on brand and avoid burnout. 2. Lead generation system. Use lead magnets, like a free checklist or mini course, to collect emails. Drive traffic from Reels or Stories to your bio link and convert followers into leads. Use tools like ConvertKit or Flowdesk for email automation. 3. Sales system. Don't just post and pray. Build a funnel. For example, Reel, link in bio, email opt-in, automated email sequence, offer. 4. Analytics tracking. Monitor what's working. Track views, conversions, ROI, and adjust. Use Instagram Insights, Google Analytics, and affiliate dashboards. Remember, what gets measured gets improved. Section 4. Building a team. You can't do it all forever. If you want to hit 6 figures, you must buy back your time, and that means outsourcing. Here's how to build a lean, powerful team that helps you grow. 1. Content assistant. Hire someone to help with graphics, captions, scheduling, or repurposing content into carousels, emails, or blog posts. 2. Video editor. Outsource short-form editing for Reels or YouTube Shorts. This alone can 2x your output. 3. Virtual assistant, VA. Delegate admin work, email responses, customer service, lead tracking, calendar management. 4. Community manager. As you grow, a community manager can handle DMs, comments, and customer engagement, keeping your audience feeling valued. 5. Sales or partnership manager. Eventually, delegate brand deals and sponsorship negotiations to a professional who can close high-value deals for you. How to start? Use platforms like Fiverr, onlinejobs.ph, or Upwork. Start part-time, task-based. Train with Loom videos and SOPs, standard operating procedures. This will give you more time to focus on high-leverage tasks, like content strategy, offers, and partnerships. Section 5. Leveraging paid ads for growth. Organic reach is great, but scaling fast often requires paid traffic. Here's how Instagram creators use ads to fuel growth. 1. Boost high-performing reels. If a reel already performs well organically, spend $10 to $100 to boost it. This builds brand awareness, followers, and engagement. 2. Run traffic ads to your funnel. Use Facebook Ads Manager to drive traffic from Instagram to your lead magnet, digital product, or course. Target based on interests, demographics, or lookalike audiences. 3. Retargeting campaigns. Set up retargeting for people who've engaged with your content or visited your page. These are warm leads more likely to buy. 4. Test, don't guess. Start with small budgets, $5 to $20 a day. Run A/B tests with different creatives and headlines. Double down on what performs. Tools to use: Meta Ads Manager, Canva for creatives, and email marketing tools for follow-up. Paid ads turn Instagram from a content game into a predictable revenue machine. Section 6. Build strategic collaborations. Scaling is faster when you collaborate strategically. Here's how to partner your way to 6 figures. 1. Cross-promotions. Partner with creators in similar niches to exchange shoutouts or co-create content. This brings fresh followers to both audiences. 2. Affiliate collabs. Find brands or creators who'll pay you to promote their offers, or vice versa. Set up affiliate links with generous commissions. 3. Bundle deals. Team up with other creators to offer a product bundle or joint workshop. You split profits and grow your lists together. 4. Podcast or live collabs. Guest on each other's podcasts or do Instagram lives to warm each other's audiences. It builds trust and authority fast. Why it works: you're borrowing trust and audience attention without starting from scratch. Section 7. Scale what works. This one's simple, but powerful. Find what's working and do more of it. Too many creators get shiny object syndrome. They try every new trend instead of doubling down on what already brings results. Use this framework. 1. 80-20 rule. 80% of your results come from 20% of your actions. Identify those actions and scale them. 2. Content audit. What content gets you the most leads, sales, or engagement? Create more of that. 3. Offer audit. Which of your offers brings the highest ROI with the least effort? Promote it more. Improve the sales page. Build a funnel around it. Example: if your $47 ebook is selling well, consider adding an upsell, a bundle, or turning it into a mini course. Scaling is about iteration, not reinvention. Section 8. Case study, snapshots. Let's look at real examples of creators who scaled their Instagram income. 1. Sarah the fitness coach. She went from $2,000 per month to $15,000 per month by launching a $197 digital course, outsourcing editing, and running retargeting ads to her waitlist. 2. Daniel the finance influencer. He partnered with fintech brands and built a subscription community for $20 per month. With 500 members, that's $10,000 per month in recurring income. 3. Monica, the fashion creator. She scaled her brand deals by hiring a sponsorship manager who negotiates $2,000 to $5,000 per post, turning one-time deals into long-term contracts. They didn't reinvent the wheel. They just followed smart, strategic systems and scaled what worked. Section 9. Your next steps. So how do you go from where you are now to where you want to be? Here's your 4-step action plan. 1. Audit your current income streams. What's working? What could be improved? What could be added? 2. Choose one system to build this month. Whether it's an email funnel, a product launch, or hiring a VA, build one system at a time. 3. Commit to delegation. List 5 tasks you can delegate this month. Start small, train once, save hours forever. 4. Reinvest a portion of your earnings. Set aside 20 to 30% of your income to reinvest into ads, tools, training, or talent. Remember, you don't need 1 million followers to make 6 figures. You need a strategy, a system, and a mindset built for scale. Scaling your Instagram income isn't just about hustle, it's about intentional growth. It's about building a business, not just a page. If you found this video valuable, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because we're diving deeper into advanced strategies in future videos. Comment below, what's your biggest challenge when it comes to scaling your Instagram income? Until next time, keep creating, keep scaling, and keep winning.